Welcome to the South Sound Health Communication Network, or the Network. The Network is a secure communication portal geared at providing electronic connectivity not only between healthcare providers, but also between providers and their patients. At the same time, the network provides opportunities for improved intra-office communication, workflow management, care delivery, and operational savings. Prior to login, please ensure that your system meets the minimum specifications listed on the CD package. At any time during this presentation, the CD may be paused or stopped to complete any required tasks listed on the network. Logging in. To start, open your internet browser and type www.npnwa.net/the network into the URL address bar. This should bring you to the initial blue login screen. If you do not come to the blue login screen, you will need to activate the ActiveX, turn off your pop-up blocker, or refer to the troubleshooting section located on this CD. If after you've completed these steps and are still unable to reach the blue login screen, please call 253-722-0312 during business hours for further assistance. Once the initial blue login screen has been reached, it is recommended that this page be added to your favorites and a shortcut be created to the computer's desktop. To add this page to your favorites, click on Add to Favorites located directly below the date on the blue login screen and follow the instructions. From your favorites list, you can create a shortcut to your desktop by using the mouse to right-click on the network in your favorites list and dragging it to your desktop. Logging in. Once you have reached the initial blue login screen, you will be asked to enter your username. Your username will be included with this CD. Typically, the username will consist of an individual's first initial, followed by their last name, and the username is not case-sensitive. In the event that you have a common last name, an alternate username will accompany the CD. Next, you will be asked to enter your initial password. Please be aware that all passwords are case-sensitive. Your initial password is Force1. Please enter uppercase F, lowercase ORCE, and the number 1. Next, please either press the Tab button until the Login button is highlighted, then hit Enter, or using your mouse, click on the Login button. Do not simply hit the Enter key or the system will automatically click on the Clear button and you will have to restart the process. Once the Login button has been pressed, a second blue login screen will appear. Enter your username again in the top field, re-enter Force1 as the initial password in the second field. At this time, a new user-specific password must be created and entered. Passwords are required to be a minimum of 6 characters in length, contain 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. Passwords must not contain the user's first name, last name, or login name. Next, you will need to verify the new user-specific password in the last field. Then, either press the Tab button until the Login button is highlighted, then hit Enter, or, using your mouse, right-click on the Login button. Again, do not simply hit the Enter key or the system will automatically click on the Clear button and you will have to restart the process. Once you have signed on to the network, you will be greeted by an initial welcome message. Once you click onto that welcome message, you will be prompted to designate your primary location from the drop-down box and your job title from the lower drop-down box. Once you have checked on the Save button, the network will automatically close and you will need to sign back in. Once you have signed back into the network, your sign-in process is complete.